Well, we're starting with news just coming in right now. Section 144 has been imposed in Mumbai. The Mumbai police has imposed restriction on the movement and gathering in the city. Let's get more details from Siddhant, who is joining us on this story. Siddhant, what is the reason behind this step?
Well, Padmaja, clearly, while addressing the state, Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray clearly said that that there would be second wave of COVID-19 in the state of Maharashtra, and keeping in mind the rise in numbers in the maximum city, this decision has been taken. Now we have accessed that notification also from the Mumbai police, signed by Shaji Umap, who happens to be the DCP operations for the Mumbai police. Now Section 144 has been imposed across the city first. Second, only essential services would be allowed as per the standard protocols, and no huge gatherings or gathering more than 4 people are allowed on the streets of the maximum city. So this order has again come for the maximum city. Before this, during the time of unlock, even Mumbai was allowed to operate smoothly, keeping in mind the businesses and the commercial hub and importance of the city. But now again, Section 144 has been imposed in the maximum city, and there would be restriction of movement for each and every one. Now this is just 144 which has been imposed. Beyond that, there is no clarification that what would be allowed and what would not be allowed. But in that circular that has been accessed by us, it clearly says that only essential services will be allowed during these times. So this is what we have been confirmed, that this is only being taken, this decision has been taken due to rise in number of COVID-19 cases in the maximum city.
Okay.
And this hint was dropped by CM himself during the video conference for the people of the state. Back to you.